Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video we'll see the different type of storage options which VMM offers. After that we will see how to assign and add storage to our host. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So friends, now let's discuss the type of storage option we have in Virtual Machine Manager. So the first type of storage is block storage. So guys, block storage offers fiber channel, serious attached SKZ, which is SAS, or ISKZ in Virtual Machine Manager. Now guys, what is block storage? Block storage is something we can refer to a block level of storage. We can say that a block storage is a storage scheme in which each volume will act as a separate hard drive, and it is configured by our storage administrator. The block storage is quite similar, as we can open our file explorer and we can see the C drive, we can see the D drive. So our block storage is that kind of a storage. Now the second type of storage is file storage. So friends, basically file storage is also called a file level or file based storage. It's a hierarchical storage methodology. It is basically used to organize and store data on a computer hard drive or on a network attached storage, which we know as NAS. In a file storage, our data is stored in files, and the files are organized in a folder. And the folders are organized under a hierarchy of directories and subdirectories. If you want to locate a file, you and your computer system, all you need is a path from where the directory to subdirectory to folder to a file. So basically we need a path to access our file storage. Now friends, let's discuss the storage usage in our Virtual Machine Manager. So the first type of storage usage is cluster creation. So in our Virtual Machine Manager, we create a cluster if we have more than 2 nodes. Basically we can say that if we have deployed 2 Virtual Machine Manager, so we can create cluster for our high availability. So there we can use storage as for our cluster creation. The second type of storage usage is scale out file server. So scale out file server is designed to provide a scale out file shares which are continuously available for file based server application storage. Scale out file shares provide the ability to show the same folder from multiple nodes on the same cluster. Like we have deployed 2 nodes in our cluster, so it has the ability to show the same folder in both the nodes. The third type of storage usage in Virtual Machine Manager is rapid provisioning. Rapid provisioning provides a method for deploying our new virtual machines to storage array without needing to copy virtual machines over the network. To deploy a virtual machine using a SAN copy abilities such as snapshot and clone, you can rapidly provision the standalone virtual machines that are provisioned in a service. Okay friends, so now let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can assign and add storage to our host server. Okay friends, so now we are on our lab environment. In our previous video, we have added another server with the name of server2.kaptechpro.online. This is my host server. Now I will right click on it and I will click on properties to add the storage. Now I will click on storage. So here you can see we are able to see only 2 disks, and if I am clicking on the disk, you can see the partition type and the classification is local storage. The good part of Virtual Machine Manager is it automatically detects the type of storage. Like this is a local storage and this disk is attached to my server. If you have configured the ISKZ, then in the classification you will see the remote storage and the partition type is GPT and the status is online. If somehow the status is offline, so you can go to your server. In the disk management you can bring the disk to online. Same is for the second disk, which is my again local storage. You can see the partition type is MBR and the status is online. Now friends, let's add a storage to my host. So let's open File Explorer, and this is my server 1. This is not my server 2. So let's see how we can add file storage. So I will right click over here, I will click on new, I will add one folder and I will give the name share storage. So okay, so I have created a folder, I will right click on it. Now let's go to properties, click on sharing, now click on advanced sharing. I would like to share this folder. Let's click on permissions and let's give the full control to everyone. You can restrict it to administrator or any other group. As of now we are doing it for testing purpose, so I am giving full control to everyone. Let me click on apply. Let me click on OK. Apply. OK. Now let's go to security. I will click on add it, and I will add everyone over here as well. So I want to give a full control. Click on apply and click on OK. Click on close. Now let me see if we are able to find it or not. So I will enter VMM1. So here you can see our shared storage is there. Let me minimize it, and now let's add our shared storage. So for adding storage, I will click on add, and now I will click on add file storage. So here you have to enter the path. So if you don't know the path, open the file explorer, just double click on this folder, and this is your path. Right click on it, copy this, minimize, and just paste it. And now click on OK. OK. Now we'll again right click on our server. We'll go to properties. I will click on storage, and you can see the classification is a remote storage. So you can see the path of the storage, and this is the available storage. So we can use this storage to deploy the virtual machines. We can use this storage for multiple purpose. So guys, by this way we can assign and add storage to our any host in a host group. In our upcoming videos, we'll see how to deploy the iSCSI storage, and we'll also create a storage for our cluster. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.